Our door is not a regular door. In April of 2007, that's when Weber looked at the opportunity with nickel to take it outside of tooling, and we created our own door company. We created the technology that replicated wood grain. We're talking about subgrain in grain, something you can't see with your naked eye, but you could see it under a microscope. That's the precision we're talking about. We can simplify and say Weber is the tool maker for MASTERGRAIN and Weber molds parts, but it goes well beyond that. It goes to a culture of innovation and technology, and nobody else today has this technology around the world. That's something to be passionate about.
One guy told me, he says, you can't count on your hand 5 companies that are unique in what they do. And he says, you are one of them.